And yet I was still struggling financially. And I was doing all the right things, but there was just a lot of gaps. And we both started talking about the results and our strengths and weaknesses. And immediately our marriage improved. Immediately, my wife works with me in our business. She began to really focus on her flow and what brings her joy and happiness. And I began doing more of what I'm good at, which is as a blaze star, I go out there and connect and I shine light on my products and programs and the people I work with. I just focused, and I did 6 micro degrees. And then my wife and I went through the wealth assessment. We saw we were at a red level. We invested like a week really learning all the steps. Has given us such clarity and trust and faith, and getting out of that survivor level into consistent cash flow again. Yeah, I'm helping heal the mind and the body through phytocannabinoids, CBD oil. So now I have a team of 900 affiliates, and I now, through Wealth Dynamics, can see why some are succeeding and some are not, because some are in flow and doing what they're strong at, and some aren't. So now I can give that flow. I have a clear path. I know how, but more importantly, I know who I am. I know where I'm going.